Sikadi and Kosibi, Amodian Kosibi, Yamisumpa, Pinimu, Ferdinand Pasuasu, Sikadi and Kosibi, Amodian Kosibi, Yamisumpa, Pinimu, Ferdinand Pasuasu, Sewunya, Yasin Yamenya, now Mary Okra, then Faso, now Venya, for was it in the moon? Sewunya, Yasin Yamenya, now Mary Okra, then Faso, now Venya, for was it in the moon? One south to soon to the attack. Oh, nice to Wasara, Yamisumpa, Piniwamu, and the name Pasuasu. One south to soon to the attack. Oh, nice to Wasara, Yamisumpa, Piniwamu, and the name Pasuasu.
Ahutresun kosivi, Yamsumpa, Piniwomu, and no name fasu wasu. Ahantain dien kosivi, Ahutresun kosivi, Yamsumpa, Piniwomu, and no name fasu wasu.
Chapadi and kosivi, Akayonsun kosivi, Yamsumpa. Tokwadi and Kosivi, Akayonzu Kosivi, Yamzumba, Piniwamu, Nunambanzua.
Sikadi and Kosivi, Amodian Kosivi, Yamzumba, Piniwamu, and then Pasuasu. Sikadi and Kosivi, Amodian Kosivi, Yamisumba, Piniwamu, and then Pasuasu. Sewunya, Yasin Yamenya, now Mary Okra, then Faso, now Venya, what was it in the moon? Sewunya, Yasin Yamenya, now Mary Okra, then Faso, now Venya, what was it in the moon? One south to sing to the academy, oh, nice to Wasara, Yamisumpa, Piniwamu, and the name Pasuasu. One south to sing to the academy, oh, nice to Wasara, Yamisumpa, Piniwamu, and the name Pasuasu. One south to sing to the academy, oh, nice to Wasara, Yamisumpa, Piniwamu, and the name Pasuasu.
Heaven, our home, Mejedi se ubia hoye ewo platform yiso. Mon fan cheme. My voice is a little bit weird because of the ongoing program. It is also important to continue the teachings on the platform. I'm going to deal with the topic that I put there, spiritual death. Humu eka. Kwaya efaswa ebeka se we odeka wo humu. Enti no sikato no nsemu a enyina. Enipa bebre wo ho a oye adwuma editua ka. Ohu ne ebeye sika beto ne nsem bia esese problem bi ba. Na se nipa no akwa akotua. Enti no behu se adwuma de nka wo ye bi. Sika nso de nka bi ba ne nsem. Nanso untumi ensie sika ana untumi mfa sika enye brebi. All because something is wrong spiritually. Eno ena inchirichiri we mu no. We ba be revealing the causes of this. Na fe nyina ya take remedial action. It is abri besi trust ne abompaye ansa ne yakọ addition nim. Yada wasi onyame tumfu onyame batampa. Onokwafo eni wasafurade. Edon mu eni eba beko wasi mu kronkron bra be fa mi mu na kyerɛkyerɛ omen. Ade a ehunta na edi omenya. Mpa ebo ne se wurade. Obefa utumi ni wa hoɔden so adani nyina adi. Na omen enya ahofadie adi ama okra. Na yenwie ene dwumadi no. Honhom eka biara onipa bia de ewo platform yesu no. Wafa wakwan kyerɛ so eye free ne so. Na nipa na de ne ho na watumi abobra na siniye. Na binum so atumi edu sika ene wo hode aboa wahini. Ama ahini no nsempatre no atumi awie peye. Meda wase nyame batampa. Se woni ye ni bone na wabie ensemi so ade a kyerɛ yen. Na yebenya ogye with Jesus Christ the Monti. Amen. Se yekenkan osenkafuo itia eyedu. Ninchichi mua eye edunkru Ecclesiastes chapter number 10 verse number 19 wa. Ose sirienti ena wosiesi eduane. Na ensa ema atiasifuo enijie. Na sika ene ye adie nyina. Wanu se nyame sisi mu no. Ono ankasa edi sika eduedua asase mu. Sene ebeye a onipa bia obeba asase so ne ho nkyere no. Ade baako a esese ogi ni bia ohuni se the moment a oba beye Kristo ni ana onyankopon ba no. Ensese ehia wo. Medikai aya disua bi edi afa ohia ahoduo mienu ho. De ma yewu obi ohia ni. Ena asa disua no mekire se ohia no yewo de ye honhom. Ba we no adisua we no enye ohia wo. Adisua we no efa enipa bi a wo mu de sika no wo mu nya bi. Okoye adwumu a akoton ade a onye sika. Amanfo kora tumi eye nadoye. Enye se ohun sikanim pa. Nanso obi wo ho a sikanya to ne nsem se ipe. Esese ode ko solve problem. Obi wo ho a sika ne ka ne nsa ohun ni ode sika ne beye na asan yeden efri ne sa. Obi kora de ne ye ne se sika beto ne nsem a obedi a esan ne ne asan yeden aba ne ho so. Eye den na sa niema we nyina waba bi ogidi ni na sika ton nsem a entumi nyina. Ebize Yesu say mebeye ohia ni se ne be ya mobe ya defuo enti sese ebada say ogidi ni ana onyankopon ba osase sika mu na ase oye bibia sika tese ade bie ni weska beton nsem a eyeye efrehe eya honhommone no na yesa ana hwan ene tachiri a Oma saadi ene tutu onyankopon ma. Eno na meba betire ne kofa bai. Eniema enam so a ema no eba ne saa. Spiritual death. Iwo nipa bebree titinson dem a they call themselves born again. But obeko honhom no na omodika. Yesu Kristo paid the debt. Ye bone ho akatua nyina we yeden utua free ho with the shedding of his blood. And you know, when you become a believer, enema bi wo a esese uhunu nimde bi wo esese unya na odi yi sa spiritual debt ni nyina de free so. And you know, the origin of spiritual debt, it began with bone. It began with bone sin. It is ubi anya bonea. Kunhum no untumi medeka ema unkuchie maninye. Now, let us examine the causes of spiritual debt. Edieme ne kofa hunhumu eka. Edibre nipa. Odene nsaka sika anane nsaka esuskemu a ense BBC na ode koye saade kodeno efri ho. But what in common say? O man Ghana ye was our problem no. Na me baby the causes of spiritual debt no ediaba. Adia edi kan a ema onipa ebe face spiritual debt. Unya ye saade no a na demons no are taking hold of your financial growth. Then they will make sure say you'll be crippled in every facet of your life. Economically, no, one be making sure say you will never and ever have your financial standings in good shape. Eye ubia obo besia na untia tinie pa bosia bo ebia wo ho akyerew. Ensema me ne okai no eyade a esi wo honhum so atiasie obi a wakwakwage bosia wo ho akyerew wasere obi se onom wo ma obesia na wo de bema no afeedie nipa na dan wa sika no untua. The moment a wo de saade ne bedi wo nua se unua na nka se medi akyew name no because odan wa wan fade na mano na wajemu amanaka no. Spiritually no, the demons will take hold of saade na waye no na oma pege your spiritual and physical financial growth no to nipa no a odi ne ka no uti asem ni eti nipa na odi ne ka ne de ebia wadan wa wantua ba wo wantua ni tinu hunhum no ahomone be hunu se wo nyi nipa papa wo ye obi a se wo kire okra na nipa eyiska edeboa wa you don't return it when you've got it. Eti no nyom ye ne se wo adwuma bia obeye de tuaka so atenkomo se edwuma hu se wo se nipa no se wo bi kra so san ba ho no no so besire bibi free ntenya on fa de kodene mada eno kra de eye nketwa nemu na kasi esi ni se enya de sika betumi atena wonsem simply because wo ukoba obesian wentua enye se nipa na bodua wo nipa no modua nipa ne mfa nko baabia eye spiritual thing eda ho se obi kobo besian esese otumi san ede ade ne eden eko so atenkomo na se eno nti na trosemu no onyankopon hise ma Israel for say se obi bebo besian emfa ensi hu nye den enka hu because nipa no ade ne hia ne nti na oba abegie so atenkomo na se enti interest ne beka hu a ensi hu ne beka hu a eno na making it impossible for the people to pay back the debt. But God expects you to go and pay back any debt you owe to people. So what you say, it is a would you be ka na when says it is one of the contributing factors to who send the power your spiritual indebtedness. It is an enso. It is only himself do be ka na e kano achese den kwampa and now what you mean but modern se obako tua aka na free ho. Not because you want to return it, but because you want to free yourself from any spiritual debt. And no enama o mind Ghana yentumi ntua ye ho aka enwie. Bosiera Ghana abo mpanimfo di kan ama mpanimfo your friend say finance ministry e kara ye de ama maya hodo a yentua ye ebi okura oman ne hia was okay mokura bomuntumi ntua mekai kufu abreso. We have to go into highly indebted poor country. That hepik no adia hepik ne be Ghana no hunhum no. We have not understood fully what happened to Ghana. Because at that time, no, Ghana was insolvent. Ghana was not able to service its debts to other nations. So the only way we could relieve ourselves was to go and join the highly indebted poor countries, so that those nations will have mercy on us and pardon us with our debts. Now, can I want to say the original intention was to take back what we borrowed from them. And here is the situation: the nation failed to pay back. So therefore, Oma Bumania Gusunoma cancel and Omayane say bad debt. It's one more cancel as bad debt, no. So bad debt, no, against whose name has the bad debt been written? This is what happens spiritually. The moment Albako Bobisia and Albako Jessica, they went to Mientia, and Nuchina Bank Bosia Bonum, so be Kobo Bank Bisia. One said, Nipanen to Mientia, wo, one of the Biada. Oba bedeka huhumu. And you're very serious. I met Christopher Bibri or Musika some end to me nyina. 10 BS cabeton in same BS, same BBC, 10 BS cabeban in same BS, a problem biba, 10 BS cabecan in Sebiano, or who knew this can ye. Why yet do massa if you bibri and Susikan can sem. Ebi ano akwako Bobby see bit na senesis in wajinimu. Kaka wajinibum komponko hewachi. Saudi will be cut. Now your boss and alcohol and went here. Me part you go back and pay the money. But what in common I say? The atosumi no I day spiritual debt eba. Eye SCC. Uni obi akwa ye juma. SSC obi afa 50%, 50%. Now what you me SCC no afani di ni with the account there. You don't know what you are doing. Obi aye juma ma. SSC utua neka. When Chianica Besile, Obedeka Humu, Tienkomoni, may tell the causes so that you can rectify your mistakes. So what you say? You are a Juma for Bibri, a Jumera for Bibri Oha. So no be a Juma, Sicano, as a so Chiama Wakano, or no cry to meet Sicano so. Now or money be, as a Kana Cabinia can be seen when Chia. Unipa bi obeye sade we bia no kan wonu say san konfonom komunko to dwanu bompa ye nyameti wo musugu nyameso nyameti eti wo anya de obetumi sika betumi atonsem ama waye ama ne agina da. So what you say one here your life will be hand to mouth na waduma na ankasa so no enyina mani nyi because you have cheated people ni moja wafa na wafo bi moja no say wonu say obedika huhumu ahuntumi entua enti spiritual debt in the forever etosumi no eyensisi it is only unu akoye djuma necessary obia nya 5% me pacho don't even make up your mind say you take a little portion of what belongs to your brother or sister. What in common say Mua Morgana, I told the beer, will be correct to me, will not the Japadia de Ejamu, or say, well, na me and woo send ye, woo send ye, woo send ye, and the brinty, dear, and Yanni diakra, no San Quacofa, and the Canadian, Obedeka. Oba bedeka humu, the demons will not spare you, because says Subino and Yan Kupun Subain. Yamen Penisu say, Nema Ebeda says Subainedi. And unti sene sumame se wesisi obi ebu obi afaso mo amoye eyibukata me pevese de akwa bruchiri konesi ma osimeya mawo mo amu abruchiri se me ton me nkrata osimeton mawo utumi sisi nipa ne gine same scan nyina wonso ade esese wo ye no wonyama no esisi na ebi no oba bedeka huhumu so ati ase obi kura na ebi a nipa no na ton nkrata bi ma na ade koduru amanone ebi kura nipa na so wase na ade koye adwuma etinka wunya usika ne bag nkesa or returning say nipa na de ndikoma no esan so yesisi fonti you have kept it to yourself. I'm telling you say obedika huhumu try as much as possible say onipa bi a wasisi no wasasi so when you are making the self assessment go back and refund the money or what rightfully belongs to them fakoma and no says subani bi na Abraham reveal or chere sa lesson no ewo Genesis chapter number 14 no Abraham na ode about 318 people akoko no akoko releasing what for Lot e dey free o the booty no na Abraham dia but ebra Sodom hene emu besi ene ahemfo no besi ano waka kyerɛ mo sɛ wono de ompɛhwe de ehia ne sɛ emema eboa no omukodi ako edi nkunim no ni ese wo no wo mfa emma wo omuntuo moka sɛnde omahoɔden no wadwuma yɛden atie. Abraham knew say in order for him to be a blessing, in order for him to be rich, it was necessary not to cheat the people he went and worked with, because together they fought and released or saved his nephew Lot. What you say? It also emphasize with him that say obefa obi wo store esese utua ne ka ebia 2 million esese utua ne ka ebia 3 million wosusu se oya tete kwa no free kurase ba enti no what is boom e de ababe see 100 Ghana, because you feel say any pano doesn't deserve that much you want to give, you have to give eyesisie obedeka eye adwuma obehu se wadwuma no ekampa mu da eno na obi tumi koye adwuma na afi ni sika hye na de gwetire nyina se no asamba back to square one. Ye were Christopher bebre ho a oye adwuma we na ni sika hye obi eso na hye okofa ni ma na hye oye bibia na hye obekom no se nipa no oye sisifo ade no krampo na okoto ode mfaso boom 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 be se about 150% na atoso o sisi uria no. What you say? The moment I be cheat your neighbor in terms of finances, and say who say e can obey obedie. Wakwa kofa niema. Yes, me kwa koton na me ton wi a me the balance ni beba. And your man na waton wi. Sika no so a wanfanko. You have cheated the person. AC wi oba bede ka hunhum. This is the second cause. The etosomiensa a the spiritual death eba eye krono. He wanted to spare you a serious problem. Once or catch Adam say, Obe Sam when him free and son what did ye? Eti adia will be a sam and him free enyano. So when ye juma untumin kofama ninye ye, uku say pe, you have denied yourself a better future. It will be a okobo krono biano. I want to tell you what happens spiritually. Nanka sese wo na okoye adwuma sam wanim fifiri na wo nsaka saa de no wako wie firi nipa no ho no e na wo wankwanko ye nipa ne bre na wako akofa eti hunhum ne esini se onyankopon eyi firi wo daachi ehirem eti se eye ni sika e na wo wi aya ade bi a wie firi nipa no ho no daachi de ya odia no na nyankopon akotam o daachi ne de abre nipa na wo wi a bebi efiri ho no. Eti ade bi abawie free onyonko ho no ti asem ni ye wo daachi yi edie nyina nyame ba kotam no de aba be ka nipa na wo bo ne krono no eti woni beba ho na nipa na wo bo no krono watimi esanya saa de kodi no ama na broso eti wo daachi beba na hwe ni ho enipa bebre aye saa de no fiti omofrase eti obi wo ho afiti ni mofrase obo krono saa asana woni obi okra oyoba warefo ogusu wia ne kun. So what you say? Obi owa owadwuma owie adwuma ne sika. The moment a obebo krono no eye wo that ye die nyame betam e de abre adwuma no nyame betam e de abre nipa kono a wi ade free ho no afi obehu say your future will be dried, your future will not have anything to offer you. What in common I say? Anti stealing is another cause of spiritual death. After the final cause I'm going to be discussing with you, unfulfilled promises to God. Say what say nyame bo, na bo na o say nyame no, one fanko, enu de ne wepra. What you say? What say nyame bo one fanko bo nsambe da nka. Nti we de min kom bebre. It is what say nyame bo bi na ure fia me pa chew. Sorry na fako. This is the end of the lesson. Question time.